Barry. So I just want to give you a little update on my hobby. I've kind of been an amateur cook for actually a long time, and so I just did a post showing a piece of salmon that I cleaned. I really have come to love salmon, and so I'm kind of bragging a little bit that, for one thing, I'm really grateful that we have one grocery store in town, and they actually do a really good job of having some really fine produce, some really healthy things that I like to cook. And so I picked up a piece of salmon today, and I just want to show you how it turned out. I always cook it in a pan on the stovetop, and so let's take a look. Here it is. Should be nice crispy skin. So here's the pan. I put this coconut oil and ghee mix in here, and that's for not only very high temperature so it doesn't smoke. I don't want to have it smoke as I cook this, and I actually try to not to use a very high temperature setting anyway to avoid damaging the fats. But so the coconut oil plus the ghee tastes amazing, and what I put on here to season it is this just a little bit of this smoked paprika, some ground cayenne pepper, and you should definitely have this if you don't have it, some Himalayan pink salt. I do like to have it in this kind of a grinder thing. You can get it finely ground and just have it in a shaker or whatever you want to do, but the reason for this is over like a white table salt, iodized salt that you normally get. This has trace minerals, which is good for health, your adrenal function. It does taste a lot better than normal white salt too. So anyway, I was just kind of letting this rest a little bit, and it looks like it's perfectly cooked. And what's in the oven is a sweet potato, so it's gonna be amazing. Anyway, let me know if you like to cook. I know some of my followers, I don't have very many, but some of my followers seem to like my food type content, and hopefully I can reach some like-minded people and learn some new stuff that I should be trying. So, have a good night.